It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Yo, what's good? Doing my first oil change. You might be asking me why have I never did an oil change. I had people in my family that just did it for free, so I just always used to go to them. But now, I was like, forget it, man. Let's go ahead and just do it ourselves. But I need to actually see if I need to. I think I'm just gonna do an oil change. But man, look at this beefy ass mic, bro. This thing making me mad, bro. Sagging and stuff. Man, I'm probably gonna go get one of them fluffy mic things that just go on your camera. But in order to do the oil change, I need to get I ain't getting a jack and jack stands right now. I'm just gonna get a car ramp, cause I'll be damned I paid that much money for all that shit. Like after all the stuff I just bought, you want me to buy a jack and a jack stand too? Nah, bro, I'm straight. So we finna go in here, get the car ramp, tools, oil filter, oil, and that's about it. And I been scouting this one place, this one little weird parking lot that's just abandoned. I've been seeing it for like a year now, and nobody do nothing there. So I'm just gonna go there and do the oil change. I'm getting me a bike soon, bro. Stay tuned for that. I'm definitely getting me a bike. Man, what? But yeah, we finna go in here. Bro, this cannot be real, bro. So $192 later, which I spent $192 just to do an oil change by my damn self. I should've, whatever, bro. But look at this shit, man. I forgot that there was a lemonade left in here. I didn't put this up here. Shit then exploded all over the place, bro. Like, look at this. I mean, good thing I'm replacing the seats, but still, I gotta go clean that shit up. Like, I cannot leave that. Oh my gosh, man. Let me hurry up, bro. It's already hot as hell. I'm down $200. I'm supposed to be getting tents sometime this week, so I already gotta spend another like almost $300 for that. And I'm just out here spending this $200 like it's nothing. Like, bro. I despise working on this car sometimes, but at the same time, hey, shit. Alright, we at the area. I'm already knowing this is gonna be a pain in my ass. Bro, no. You know them little car wash sponges things, like the little wet ones that like you can wipe on your seats? Bro, I done bought one. This thing then took my 4 quarters. I do it again, and it took my 8 quarters, bro. So I'm down $2 in quarters for no goddamn reason. Hold up. So I'm out of $2 in quarters, and this thing will not dispense my money back, bro. Like, man, so I gave up. This seat gonna be sticky. Fuck it, man. Got a Target box cutter on deck. Oh, snap. Snap. I think I messed up. These things don't look so high.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I fucked up. I knew this shit was gonna go wrong. I knew this shit was gonna, bro, my car just fell on them. I fucked up. I'm fucking up. I don't know what to do. at this. This bitch stuck. How the hell am I gonna do this? I just spent all that money for no goddamn reason, bro. I'm probably gonna take this back and get a jack, bro. Cause I think I'm just gonna take this back and get a jack because these car ramps, like I was on it, but then it fell off for some reason, bro. And I ain't got nobody else here with me, you know, to help guide me and shit. So, oh my gosh. I knew this was going too smoothly, bro. Like literally in my head, I'm like, this is going by too smoothly. I'm just gonna have to use my the factory jack. I'm not gonna use it to change my oil. I'm just gonna use it to lift up my car a little bit so I can you know, access under it. Yeah, I need to get access under this car real quick. Instead of just removing my whole tire, I'll just use this, pump up the car a little bit. God dang it. I'm tripping. Oh, snap. What the f? All right, I'm too dangerous. All right, so, took the bumper off. Got the things right there. So, let's see. I'm probably gonna move it up because this grass patch right here, I don't wanna be in the grass. Like, it's probably gonna be itchy. So, we're gonna see. Okay, we got the car up. I should have probably got some stuff for the back, but I'm gonna be really careful. I'm just gonna go under here real quick because I need to see if this grass gonna be in the way of everything. But yeah, so, hold on, let me show y'all. Bam, you see that? Oh, hey, this is sick. Whole bumper off this mug. Look. Hell nah. Hell nah, son. Woo! Woo, shit. I hope I ain't get that on camera. Boy, a fat ass wasp or something just came up to me. But my goddamn heart beating, bro. I gotta get under this car. Okay. Okay, let's hold up. But let me take a sip of water real quick. Get the nerves out. All right, let's go. Fuck. How do people do this shit? I'm scared as fuck right now, bro. I should got one of them sliding things. No, I can't do this shit, bro. This shit is intimidating. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my engine to cool down a little bit and wait for my goddamn nerves to get done. But my oil shit is close to my car. So I'm gonna be under it, but I won't be far under it. All right. Shit. I just got the jack and the jack stand. The jack stand would have had me a little bit more confidence. I'm finna watch a couple YouTube videos. Oh. What's that? All right. It's time. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely finna go slide the Jack in the Box. Like I got a Jack in the Box down the street from this place. So I'm finna slide the Jack in the Box, give me a nice little burger, curly fries, probably a milkshake. Cause you know, I ain't had a milkshake in a minute, but yeah, so we gonna do our first oil change, man. Shit. Yeah, and this tool set, bro, like it just exploded everywhere. So hold on, let me grab all these real quick. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab this. Oh my, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. That, hold up. This shit not loosening it up, and I'm scared. I'm not comfortable enough to really experiment and yank shit. I don't want to yank nothing. That nigga moaning in that video. That boy said, okay. Damn. That's my sore. We got it. First ever oil change. I should have got some gloves. Oh my God, we got it. This shit hot as 5% my ass. What the man? Hold up. What the This shit hot as hell. Damn, you act. Hold up. Nah, bro. Because I know whenever you're doing an oil change, like most people, they try to yank their hand out quick before you can, like, before it can touch you. But damn, that shit fast. Like, I used to think people was just slow, but no, like that shit actually fast. Damn. Yeah, this just this nigga, this water. Yeah, this shit ain't gonna do nothing. Damn. Oh, snap. What the That shit got me, bro. And it was hot too. I mean, yeah, my car was on, but damn. And then it's hella oil. Like my car was at like 5% oil. So I was thinking like, you know, it's gonna be a little, like, you know, a little swigs. Cause bro was like at AutoZone, bro said, hold on, let me come back to y'all real quick. But at AutoZone, bro said, just come, you know, just you can drain your old oil here. I'm like, yeah, okay, sure. Like but in my head, I'm like, man, I can't drain my oil. That little ass oil I'm gonna have goes to that 5%. But apparently 5% a goddamn lot. That shit still going too. And I got oil where I'm supposed to lay it. But yeah. I'm actually happy because this is like, I don't know, man. Actually working on your own car and shit, it give you, I don't know, but for some reason it gives you this adrenaline rush. Like you just feel good doing it. Damn. What's the next step? Don't judge me. Okay. I had to change the video real quick because, you know, I'm listening to stuff while I'm working. Actually, play Stay With Me. Hell nah. I'm gonna play Sam Smith. to you. Yes, my love to you. Ooh, to you. Ooh, that's that shit. What? What y'all know about that meat? Miki? Leave me alone. Watashi wa watashi, I don't know Japanese for real. Eat a Frank. That shit hot. I should got the oil filter wrench. I don't need that. I'm a goddamn man. Okay, oil, you splash a little bit too goddamn much. Bro, this shit everywhere. Stay with me. I don't know Japanese. I'm just trying my best to what it sound like. I don't know that part. Stay with me. God damn, I don't want to do it because I got to cut on my right hand. Hold up, fuck it. This shit taking too goddamn long. This shit got on my goddamn face. Was I supposed to change this? Because it looked good. Hold up. Get me the fuck up out of here. I got oil everywhere now. With me, my all right, I'm gonna stop singing that shit because I don't know it. Stay with me. Stay with me, my own Stay with me. Ah, you dripping too goddamn much. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna need to cut you off, son. Where you at, baby? Stay with me. You know what? You know, we got that fantasy playing now. I definitely don't know this song for real. Like, not even the Japanese to at least spell it a little bit, sing it a little bit. I should have probably got the oil filter wrench, because I definitely can't, like, tighten it, but I can do a little something. I think I just burnt the shit out my hand. Shit. Hey, that motherfucker gonna have to do for right now. It's too goddamn hot under there. Wait. Y'all, do y'all remember me? Did I drop the bolt in the oil like a dickhead? I dropped the goddamn bolt in there. Did I really do that dumbass shit? I think I dropped my bolt in there. There it is. I see it. Why did I drop? It was probably because it got hot and it surprised me, man. Hell nah. Oh, fuck. Oh. Glad I ain't do this in a storage unit. I would have oil everywhere. Oosh. Now stop dripping, bitch. You hot as f. I'm gonna kick your ass. Keep on dripping on my finger, that hot ass oil. Fuck. There we go. Hopefully, I don't want to flick it too much. Get goddamn oil everywhere. Oh, man, fuck that shit. I can't tighten it, bro. Switch it. I learned that off bat just now. Switch it. Yeah, we got it. Just look at this setup right quick. Hold up. We got the bumper, shirt, oil. I need to get the tripod, to prop up the phone so prop up the camera so we can get the under the hood view and stuff. Darling, darling, darling. Hey, this song hard as hell. I love you, darling, darling, darling. Car running off, no oil. That mug got that oil light on. That mean get your ass in under that hood and change me now. I need to hurry up and be fluent in Japanese, man. I'm playing. Japanese and Korean is the goal to learn. I just started this goddamn engine. Shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm a thug. Let's go. Fuck the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Oh shit, there we go. Where was the oil at? Damn, all the way down there. There we go. Okay, now twist. Okay, let's go. Put the oil in now. God dang, bitch. Hey, bro, on my grandkids, on my kids, whoever tighten this shit, bro, fuck you, bro. Like I'm genuinely mad as bro. You whoever tighten this shit. Why the fuck would you tighten this goddamn bad, bro? Like what the fuck? Like this shit is dead ass tight as hell. Like I'm doing it shirt, no shirt. Like this shit not coming off at fuck all. man. Bro, use a goddamn Band-Aid all mangled and shit. I had to literally use the backhand of this and just hit it. Like, don't ever do that dumbass shit again, man. Whoever the did my shit, bro. That shit was dumb. Man, Band-Aid came off. Watch this. Ugh. Oh shit, I'm gonna keep it on. Until the wheels fall off, I'm keeping it on. Hey, this shit designed hella bad. Like, why is my engine so goddamn far back? Shit. 100%. 100%. Woo! I know you see that. 100%. I'm not gonna pick up this camera until I get everything good, packed, and probably go get my food. Like, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna go get everything packed up. There go a police officer, I hope he don't say nothing. But, yeah, so I'm gonna take care of everything. I'm gonna see y'all at Jack in the Box, where I gotta wash my hands, dump that oil, go dump that oil. Don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that. But, yeah, see ya. All right, I'm gonna make this quick because I'm hungry, bro. Like, but anyways, we trying this. I think it's called the bacon swish. We got curly fries, a large. I see, bro. Look at my Band-Aid, and then we got a chocolate shake with the honey mustard as the sauce. But listen, usually I get the bacon ultimate burger combo, like, you know, like it's like a double cheeseburger with bacon, curly fries, and a lemonade, bro. I said, can I get a lemonade? This is when we don't got lemonade. Okay, can I get high C? Fruit punch. We don't got fruit punch. Okay, I'll take orange. So yeah, that's usually my go-to at Jack in the Box. That cause that bacon ultimate burger, that's good. And then we got the chocolate shake from McDonald's. I couldn't decide between vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry because I ain't had them in years, but I was like, vanilla kind of boring. I don't really mess with strawberry unless I know how powerful the strawberry is. So I was like, chocolate, you know, get a little fun in, you feel me? So let me go wash my hands, as you can tell. Band-Aid about mangled, but yeah, as always, be safe. Love y'all, man. And I'm gonna see y'all Saturday.